In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book business flight with Google Flights. Open your browser and head to Google Flights. When the page loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the hub where you'll set everything up. You'll see fields for where you're flying from and to, travel dates, trip type, passenger count, and cabin class across the top. Start by getting familiar with that search area and begin entering your trip details. You don't need to lock anything in yet. Just make sure you're comfortable with where everything is because we're going to use each of those fields. Next, choose the type of trip you're taking. One way if you only need a single flight, round trip if you're returning to the same city, or multi-city if your journey has multiple legs. Picking the right structure here helps Google Flights show the most accurate options. Before you search, change your cabin to business. Click the menu that likely says Economy near the passenger selector, then choose Business. This ensures that all results you see will be in business class, so you don't have to filter them later. Now enter your departure city, your destination, and your travel dates. Click into the date field to open the calendar and select the exact days you want. If you're planning a round trip, make sure both your departure and return dates are set correctly. Once all the details look right, trip type, cities, dates, passengers, and business class, take a quick moment to review everything. A quick check now saves time later. Click Search. Google Flights will load results that are business class only. You'll see different airlines, routes, and prices. Each card will show total travel time, layovers, and often basic baggage and fare information. Pick your departing flight first. Look for a combination of schedule, seat quality, and connection time that fits your needs. After that, select your returning flight to complete the itinerary if you chose a round trip. When both segments are selected, you'll see a summary. Review the timings, total duration, and fare type. If everything looks good, click Select Flight. On the next screen, click Continue. Google Flights will then offer booking options, typically through the airline directly or a trusted partner site. Choose the one you prefer based on price, flexibility, and your loyalty program needs. Finally, continue to complete payment on the site you chose. Double-check traveler details, baggage allowances, and fare rules before you pay. That's it. Your business class booking through Google Flights is set.